Welcome to my channel. Today I am introducing my new physics book. The title of the book is Maxwell's Equations Explained, a companion to Griffiths' Electrodynamics. The idea behind this book is one concept, one book. Each topic is explained in simple language and easy steps. This book helps students understand physics clearly and confidently. This book explains all four of Maxwell's equations in detail. It covers Gauss's law for electricity, Gauss's law for magnetism, Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, and the Ampère, Maxwell law. It also explains how electric and magnetic fields combine to form electromagnetic waves. Light is an electromagnetic wave. This book focuses on detailed explanation and physical understanding. Each topic is explained using a question and answer method. Multiple choice questions and a unit test are included for exam preparation. This makes the book very helpful for undergraduate and postgraduate students. My book series mainly focus on conceptual learning and physics. Learn physics clearly and enjoyably, and build strong concepts, step by step. This book is available on Amazon Kindle. If you find this book useful, please support the author by giving a rating and writing a review.